Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram picture after posting. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now go to the picture. Now, Instagram doesn't allow you to directly change the picture once it's posted. While you can't change the picture, you can edit other details. To do that, tap the three dots at the top right of your post and select Edit. From here, you can adjust the caption, text or location. And once done, tap on the tick mark at the top right. Or you can simply delete the picture by tapping on the three dots and tap on delete. And that's it. Even though Instagram doesn't allow you to change a picture directly, these simple steps can help you fix your post in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.